Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, Smile, Ivy, Love Anson, or Love Lyman. You could change it if you want to. Ruru, hi. Phyllis, hi. Ling 3689，多謝晒。Hello. Vincey Wan, 多謝. Thank you for your wishes. X Tina Wonderland, thank you. Hi. Superhero, hello. Tong Wincy, hello. Hi. 好久不見 Techo， 真的好耐冇見，好耐冇開 live。So yeah, I'm just super nervous about being live here tonight. 我知今晚 is a special night. Yes, Xtina Wonderland, 係，我係有 pimples 嘅。I'm just telling you, this is what I fully look like on a normal daily basis. 係有一個好大粒暗瘡，第二粒暗瘡，第三粒暗瘡係啱啱見到嘅，同埋第四粒出緊嚟。是的，所以我今日 put on this little rabbit and a fan-made hat， 因為我做咗少少負面啲嘢，因為差唔多係時候拍 The Season。So yeah, but okay. Main thing I'm here today. I just want to say 好多謝大家。我幾日前去咗我個 fans 整俾我嗰個生日會，我好高興見到大家 ，and 佢哋好 ，they're just really amazing. Okay， 佢哋特登買咗咁多 gifts 俾我。These are a lot of gifts, and I want to be able to share with you guys and let you know. 我想講俾你聽，我好 appreciate 呢啲 gifts 嘅。And 我知道嗰日咧，啲 fans 咧係要特登寫咗啲信，put in a letter 問我啲問題。咁我嗰日咧淨係攞到係咪有六個信嘅啫，答到6個問題。咁我想抽呢個時間，今日就係為大家攞翻啲信嚟答翻你想知道的問題。好彩，我有
幸好啊，
我很幸好的，我很幸好，我有我的老婆幫我，所以大家好，這是我的老婆叫 Zoe。Come on in。So， 她是我的翻譯。是的，她是我的老闆。是的，她是 everything in my life, so I need her. So, here we go. Let's start off with, hello, Mrs. Hearn. Hi.
Hello.
好乖，好識話 Mrs. Hearn. Speaking of which, I really, before we got married, I was really asking her, is it okay for people to call her Mrs. Hearn? And 佢其實話唔係咁 OK 住嘅。Yeah. So it was a little, I remember you said it was a little weird because my mom, is the same. So, but 而家咧，我哋屋企樓下看間啦，everyone 都叫我哋鄉生鄉太。So 而家係 totally cool. And I love it. Thank you, Han Gan, for making it normal. Oh, yes, birthday balloons. Yeah. No. Okay. So start off with the first question.
如果我哋有抽中之前嗰幾張卡，
咁 pass 嘅。
OK。
係啦。
講定先，如果抽咗之前嗰幾張，可能就 pass。
Boja's gonna remind you not to speak Mandarin. Oh, okay. Sorry, 寶姐。
不如你抽都得。
好啊。咁我抽第一張。 都係金色嘅喎。
啊
Dearest Lyman HBD
我哋睇下係咪？
係咪同一個？
如果係就
Shining Star。I'm guessing 你係講緊我啦。幾時會再有 Unspoken Dance Show 2.0？我都唔係咁清楚，所以咧呢個問題咧係要問翻我 Unspoken 嗰個 director German， 睇下佢想幾時再出一個 Unspoken 2.0，
或者 Good Show Club
係啦，或者 Good Show Club 想再次做多一個 Unspoken show 加入我，可能今次係講緊 the perspective of 個老婆嘅 more，and 老婆跳舞嘅。
哇
But yeah，I don't know，我會問一問下。But 呢個 from Jody Dearest Lyman Happy birthday stay happy and all dreams come true。我其實發好多夢嘅，so I hope all of them do come true。Thank you Jody。OK， 第二個。
我係咪要
呢個卡嚟嘅，我呢個有冇開嘅？其實我呢個覺得開咗。係 ，This is from Sarah。佢問我其實我幾多歲？我今年是34歲嗎？雖然我似細一年，但係我係35歲嘅，都係咁青春。Okay, next one， 下一個 Love you and I love you too. Okay, this one, this card over here. Hi Lyman, is there any role you want to try in shows or movies? Ruru. Oh, good question. Well, firstly, I have to actually be in a lot of movies to be able to see what other roles I can try. But at the moment, 因為我係未曾試過入 any movie，所以其實未有 I don't know what roles。
但係你有冇話你有個係心目中希望會演飾到嘅一個咁樣一個角色？
我係想演啲奸個角色嘅。
做奸角。
做奸角嗰啲，I think because it's just very very different than all the personality. I think 係 opposite of all the personality 嘅。But 有好多時候咧，即係做演員 you want to be able to empathize， you want to be able 投入嗰個角色 just to understand 佢哋。咁 in my sense 咧，because I'm a very very curious soul， 咁我都想 understand 點解嗰啲人係會經過嗰個點樣經歷 to actually end up you know 俾人批評就係奸啦。You know, but in 佢哋個世界可能其實係正規嘅，you know 係應該要做嘅嘢，but
或者佢哋嘅經歷啊，同你話齋同佢哋嘅經驗啊，令到佢哋去到嗰一個地步。係。
Another one， 如果想我答多一個問題，我想散下啲功夫，you know 我想喐下，you know 我成日都好身痕嘅，所以俾我一個武打片，
你會有興趣？係，
我好有興趣。
武打角色同埋奸角。
Yes，似唔似奸啊？得唔得？唔得。Okay, never mind. Okay, is there anyone who wants to play? Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, Ruru. Good question. Oh, this one 有個 donut 嘅 Lyman 生日快樂 in purple handwriting. Okay. 我要好 careful 咁樣開，因為咧 just tell you a secret， 我老婆咧 might keep 呢個 sticker 嘅 ，because 佢係好中意。
開樣嘢都比較
係佢好仔細嘅，好小心嘅。
Okay.
Because if she finds it cute, she'll keep it. So you actually see it at home. You know, some of your stickers. Okay, dear Lyman, happy birthday. 會唔會做全民造星6的評判？
畫導師。
I don't know if you guys actually read the newspaper today. 我係雖然唔識讀啦，但係有一個片段 in the newspaper 就係 explain 全民造星6嘅，有2個評判 ，one of the 評判之前係做過嘅就係 Joey 阿祖 ，and then there's another評判 which is 唔係評判導師which is Jin Lee。So congratulations to them，佢哋會好辛苦 because I remember 我哋導師咧 Rosa 啊。J 風啊，咁樣湊我哋咧都幾辛苦嘅，so good luck to you guys。但係會唔會想做評判 ？I would love to be a 評判。
唔係，而家係會唔會做？問你。
我會唔會做？
你想，
我想
睇下點啦。
I mean it's still my birthday， 我仲有8分鐘 ，so technically 我 wish this to happen， 好冇 ？So 保證，你想唔想我做全民造星6嘅評判咧 ？Actually 呢個唔係寶姐。寶姐個 call 係花姐個 call。I mean 咁我減翻我個帶翻個面目啦。Hi 花姐 ，if you want me to be a 評判咧，我係冇問題嘅。Thank you。Thank you Joyce， 謝謝你的問題 and 謝謝你的love and wishes。Okay, next one, very quick. Happy birthday, Lyman. Oh, I love it. It's in English. When will you have your second piece of performance? Solo dancing performance. Not too sure yet. I don't have a solo one. I do have a theater one coming soon. We'll let you know, but it won't be a solo. There will be other people in it. This does not have a name, but thank you for your question. If you remember your handwriting. Don't know, but thank you for your question. Okay, 下一个 Next question. Also, three balloons for 香3歲。Okay, 好多中文嘅。Bake the world a better place. Firstly, the sticker is so cute. 因為speaking of bake， 我老婆尋日就係 bake 咗一個蛋糕俾我嘅 ，and because she knows 我中意，佢知道我中意士多啤梨，所以佢整咗一個士多啤梨what's it called？ 蛋糕係咪 pound cake 啊
？No, it's just a sponge cake。
sponge
士多啤梨海綿蛋糕。
士多啤梨海綿蛋糕。So 呢個 from Cindy. Hi Cindy, thank you very much. I don't know if it's Cindy Purin, Cindy. I'm gonna say Cindy. Okay, happy birthday. 你平日
你食
幾點食飯？
起身。
起身。sorry。夜晚幾點瞓覺？你嚟緊會想去邊個國家旅行啊 ？OK， 2個問題。第一個問題就是我幾點起來，和我幾點會睡覺的。I'm kind of embarrassed. I set my alarm for like 9:30. I don't wake up until like 10.
On days that you don't have to work.
Yeah, okay, yeah, of course. On days I don't have to work. On days that I do have to work, it's always at least an hour, 2 hours. 2 hours before call time, yeah. You know, it's like really early, like 6 點. That means I have to wake up at like 4. Okay. Some good days if it's like afternoon. Okay, fine.
That's a lot.
Fine, okay. I wake up and like an hour before and leave the house in half an hour and then get to set and make up. Alison with no, what do you makeup artist do with no? Sharon, Carla 都會知道，喂，好攰喎，揸住杯咖啡，是我的。Sorry, but yes. 幾點瞓覺啊？